Hi everyone, welcome to the Roblox Chef Master. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite treats, Rice Krispies, but not just any type of Rice Krispies. We're going to be making some colored Rice Krispies. Comment down below and let me know if you like Rice Krispies and also what's your favorite color. Lucky for you, this recipe calls for a few simple ingredients. The first thing you'll need is a box of Rice Krispie cereals. You can get these boxes at your local grocery store. I didn't buy a box, I just bought a whole truck of them. The next thing you'll need is a bag of marshmallows. Now, I know there are different sizes. There's bigger ones, smaller ones. I like to start with the mini ones because they're just easier to cook later. So yeah, grab the mini ones if you see them. Next, can you guess what this is? You'll actually need some butter. And a lots of butter. I would say at least a stick of butter. And can you get what these are? These are kind of unique. You don't really see them a lot, but you use it a lot in baking. But you'll need some vanilla extract. I would say at least 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Because after all, we do want our Rice Krispie treats to taste yummy, right? Vanilla. And then last but not least, we have something here that's blue, that's green, and also red. Now, if you didn't guess already, it's exactly what it is. It's food coloring. So you can use any color food coloring you want. I just wanted to make some blue, green, and red Rice Krispie treats. But go ahead and use your favorite color. Alright, the first step you're going to take is you're going to get a pot. And I don't really have a pot here, but we have this which kind of works. And then you're going to turn on the stove on medium hot. And then just wait till it's ready. I would say give it about a minute or so. You can see mine is starting to steam up a little bit, so I think it's ready. Alright, now what we're going to do is we are going to melt some butter. So go ahead and put your stick of butter in the pot. And then go ahead and just let it sizzle and melt. We're going to see this big 1 stick piece of butter turn into little small pieces, and it's going to eventually melt. Wow, look at the butter. It turned from 1 big giant stick to mini small ones, and it's starting to melt. Now what we're going to do is just listen to the butter sizzle. ASMR time. Alright, next up, we're going to add the marshmallows into the pot. So we're going to, hey, marshmallows, get in there. Why aren't you getting in there? Oh, only a couple got in. This is bad. Okay, let's try this again. We'll try to put some more marshmallows in there and see if any of them will go in. Okay, they're going. Slowly but surely. Alright, I've added a couple more marshmallows in there. So you just gotta be careful because they fall everywhere. So yeah, next thing we're gonna do after the marshmallows is we're gonna add some vanilla extract. Alright, vanilla extract, go on in and join the party. Alright, so this is what the party looks like. We're just going to let all the ingredients melt in there. Let it cook for a little bit. And now we're going to add the food coloring. So I'm going to start with blue first. Go, blue, go! So once you've added some blue food coloring, what we're going to do is we're going to mix it all up. And then just watch everything turn to blue. Voila! Wow, this is looking really cool. And then repeat the same steps for the green. So now we have the green one. Make sure to mix it up, mix it well. And then last but not least, we have our red food coloring. So make sure you repeat the same steps. Add the red food coloring, mix it well. And now we have everything red, nice and red. Alright, the next thing you're going to want to do is take a bowl of your choice, or you can use a baking sheet like me right here. And what we're going to do is we are going to pour in our Rice Krispie cereal. So cereal, go on into the pan. Hey cereal, where do you think you're going? You need to go on the pan. Oh no, it looks like some of the cereal got stuck on the sides. Okay, well, that's just how it's going to be then. So I'm going to add a bit more cereal because I don't have enough here. So we're going to add more. Whoa, look, whoa. Okay. It's kind of getting out of control here now. Whoa, how high are you guys going to go? Okay, and what we're going to do is we're just kind of spread them out a little bit because we don't all want them bunched up in one section. So yeah, just move them around a little bit. Oh, okay. Now they're dancing and now they're having a good time. Wow. Look at them. Just dancing their life away. Next up, we're going to add some more marshmallows. Marshmallow, go join the party. Okay, all the marshmallows are just falling on the side. Look at our cute little marshmallows. And then remember that red mixture we made earlier? We're going to add this in here and we are going to mix it with everything. Whoa. And then go ahead and mix everything up together. And then what you'll have is a big piece of red Rice Krispie. Except I don't know why this one's evil. Ignore the evilness. And then repeat the same steps for the green one. I'm really glad the green one didn't come out evil though. It looks pretty cool. And last but not least, we have the blue one. Okay, I don't know why the blue one's crying, but you should be happy because you taste good. I don't want to be eaten. Now after you've cut them into smaller pieces, just go ahead and set it down on a baking pan so it can cool down, let them dance around, do their thing. Yeah, we have some evil red Rice Krispies, some really scared green ones, and then some crying blue ones. I don't know why they came out this way, but hey, they look real tasty to me. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this super easy colored Rice Krispie Treats recipe. When it's ready to serve, just mix it all up and let people choose whatever color they like. Don't forget to subscribe.